Ahanbamaktada ang premesorna Meeteilol me punung sijaba khuding makpu kai khumnabu uchari channel asigi maming Manipur languages features na kaujai ngasi nainagadaba asi Meeteilol gi Waaheithangnau habudi Meeteilol gi wahai mathang manau English ta haraga Meeteilol dictionary gi matangda nainajagadabani ngasi nainajagadaba asina page number 31 ni page number 31 adudi ai hauji mathang mathang nainajarake Meeteilol Waaheithangnau Meeteilol dictionary Samaga kunthani thoi shiba wahaida karang phakpa thokta bhab khong ani haidoknaba to open the two legs 132 words karang phakpa. The pronunciations of Meeteilon written in English alphabet is karang phakpa. In Meeteilon grammar, thokta. In English grammar, bhab. Then the meaning of karang phakpa is khong ani haidoknaba. The pronunciation of Meeteilon khong ani phakpa written in English alphabet is khong ani phakpa. The meaning of karang phakpa in English is to open the two legs. Sang kuntrong do shiba wahaida kari minghut mingtik yai pronoun adjective hangbada sijinaba wahai aduga English mekte itopa Meeteilol gi khonto asina hangbada sijinaba wahai ada English iba kari hariba Meeteilon wahai asigi English ki wahan thokna what kari what 133 word kari. The pronunciation of Meeteilon written in English alphabet is kari. In Meeteilon grammar minghut mingtik yai. In English grammar pronoun adjective. Then the meaning of kari is hangbada sijinaba wahai. The pronunciation written in English alphabet of hangbada sijinaba wahai is hangbada sijinaba wahai. The English meaning of kari is what? Kari what? Ai makhataba nainadringaida sida lairiba map asigi matangda matang hajaramge. This is the map of Manipur. This is the northeastern side of India. Here is Manipur, SANALEIBAAK, KABGLEIPAK. Then this is the enlarged form of Manipur. Meeteilon is also known as Manipuri language. Manipuri language is the state language of Manipur. So, Meeteilon is the state language of Manipur. Manipur is a state of India present in the northeastern boundary of India. Makhataba amuk Meeteilon gi Waaheithangnau Meeteilon dictionary gi matangda amuk nainajarake. Sang kunthamari suba wahaida kari nataba. Ada English ta ithokpa kari nataba haibasigi English ta ithokpa alphabet na kari nataba. Meeteilon gi losa londa grammar da mingti ya English ki grammar da adjective. Aduga kari nataba haibasigi atoba wahan thokna araiba wahan thok yaudaba. Aduga English alphabet ta ithokpana araiba wahan thok yaudaba. The English ki meaning na insignificant. 134 word kari nataba. The pronunciations of kari nataba written in English alphabet is kari nataba. Then in Meeteilon grammar, Meeteilon lonsa lon mingtek yai. In English grammar adjective. Then the meaning of kari nataba is araiba wan thok yaudaba. The pronunciations of araiba wahantho yaudaba. Written in English alphabet is araiba wahantho yaudaba. The meaning of kari nataba in English is significant. Aduga sang kunthanga suwa wahaida karisu minghood pronoun karisu leitaba. Adu English ki wahaida iba Meeteilol khonto se karisu leitaba. Nothing. 135 word karisu. The pronunciation of karisu written in English alphabet is karisu. In Meeteilol grammar, Meeteilol lonsat minghood. In English grammar, pronoun. The meaning of karisu in Meeteilol is karisu nataba. Then the pronunciations of karisu nataba in English alphabet is karisu leitaba, nothing. Masangda sang kunthat daruk suwa wahida karisu kanadaba. English te iba wantokti karisu kanadaba. Aduga karisu kanadaba haibagi atopa meaning di mingtik yai adjective. Aduga magi wahanthokna sizinaba yadaba. Aduga English ta karisu kanadabagi wahanthokti karino haibada good for nothing. 136 word karisu kanadaba. The pronunciation of Meeteilol written in English alphabet is karisu kanadaba. Then the other meaning of karisu kanadaba is this is the Meeteilol grammar mingtik. In English grammar adjective. Then the meaning of karisu kanadaba is sizinaba yadaba. The meaning of karisu kanadaba in English is good for nothing. Matang asida Meeteilol gi wahi mathang manau haiba loijare aduga hoy mathang da nainajagadaba asina Meeteilol da iriba Meetei mayek sing ase English da ithok matamda karamna tawgadagi haibadu di matangda amuk karamna motion gadagi haibagi matangda amuna hajarake. Now let us discuss about the representations of the Meetei mayek alphabet to English alphabet. How to write Meetei mayek's alphabet in English alphabet. Now let us discuss. Hojai sidaida Meetei mayek yekchan lon Meetei mayek spelling. Meetei mayek yekchan lon Meetei mayek spelling ke matangda mu hajarake. Ahamade asterisk number 1 da sida leire karang haiba. Karang haiba ki matangda nainajarake. Masa karang haiba si syllable ani ni. Ka rang. English ithok pada ka rang. Asterisk 1.1 sida katang hajarake mathak kise sanduna tarake. Rise da atap half liba asi haide rise da atap half liba asi awang ba konthong ni. Awang ba konthong oibani. English ta ibada a hakoni aduna rise da atap half liba si awang ba sang ba konthong oiba maramna English ta ibada a sijine. Aduna karang hai matamda karang ane sumaina igani. Now let us discuss about the spelling of karang. When we write karang two syllable. Here karang is two syllable karang. Written in English alphabet is two syllable karang. Then now let us know about the explanations of karang. Right, the atap habliba asi. Atap is added to right. When atap is added to right, this is long tone or rising tone. Therefore, when written in English, karang is written as R-A-A-N-G because atap is used as long tone. Therefore, A-A is used in rang. Masangda mo 1.2 da ngawlon sunda yeta lum habliba asi es arumba kangali ad ngawlon sum sidayda sida lum hapibasi sida ngawlon sunda lum hapibase masi arumba kangaleba holing toneba ana English ta ibada ag gi makhada phaina lay amasingani sida phaina horizontal line am lay English ta ibada phaina line am singaneba. Now let us look this. When lum is added to the right side of maulonsum, lum is added to the right side of maulonsum, it knows that, it represents that this is falling tone. When lum is added to maulonsum at the right side, and maulonsum is falling tone. Therefore, in English alphabet written, then a horizontal line under this is NG, placed here. Therefore, a horizontal line is placed under the NG because lum is added at the right side of maulonsum. This is falling tone. Therefore, the representation of falling tone of maulonsum lum is NG under a horizontal line. Maka the S3 to 1 the amuk nainazarake S3 to 1 the shida haidoknaba haidoknaba habi matang sida mu nainazarake haidoknaba English ibada haidoknaba shida I sida makada final line singde machina long tone oibagi long form oibagi ni sisina bada atap tapi haibagi ni machida happy jina ana haidoknaba haibasi thautak ni bhab ni Satokpa Adi atopa one to another haidoknaba haibase and to go farther adi hen lamna satokpa haidoknaba haibadi and haidokpa to open matamda mo haidoknaba haimatam the haibadi sidida lumtap te sida lumtap targadi masi falling to sijine adi haidoknaba hai targadi sidida makada faina line singi matabta rising tone da sida faina line sing there is no horizontal line but sida di dia samale dana haidoknaba haiba mase falling tone ni sida lum hapagini adana haidoknaba haibsi kaino haibada thautang ni bhab ni ngangthokpa atopa meaning ni haidoknaba haibsi meaning da ngangthokpa adi ngangthokpa English harga to say deliver a species ana machine khangali ji kaino haiba matamda enough sida lum sida ilonsum sida sina lum tatragana ayangwa khangali ada sida makada faina line singde dia sapte aduba karigumba ilonsum de lum hap targadi masi falling toni aduna aisida makada faina line sing I ada masi makad ahanbada rising tone oi targadi chathoknaba hangdokpa haiba wan thoga silai adubo haidoknaba haiba matamda arumba khangnabadadi wa ngangthokpa asina singba phongdoli maramaduna lumtapga taptaba khenai. Now let us discuss about this. In the case of the haidoknaba, this is a rising tones and the pronunciation in English alphabet is haidoknaba rising tone. English grammar is thokta and in Meeteilol is thokta, in English is bha. And the meaning of haidoknaba rising tone is chathoknaba to go further in English meaning, and another haidokpa to open. But in the case of lum is added to the ilonsum, then this is falling tone. Haidoknaba. This is the pronunciations of Meeteilol haidoknaba written in English alphabet. In English grammar is thokta. This is thokta. In English grammar is bha. The ngangthokpa. Then the meaning of ngangthokpa, that is haidoknaba in the falling tone is to say deliver or auspicious. Therefore, when ilonsum is added to ilonsum, when lum is added to ilonsum, then the difference is that the first one is when lum is not added to this ilonsum, then it is rising tone. But in the case of the lum is added to ilonsum, this is falling tone. Therefore, there are different meaning when lum is added or lum is not added. Therefore, lum is very important in MEETEI MAYEK for adding to the right sides of lonsum. Therefore, we must remember carefully that when lum is added to ilonsum, there are different meanings. Ngasigidi matang asida Meeteilol Waaheithangnau Meeteilol Dictionary नैनजब लोइजरे चैनल असिगी ममिंग मणिपुर लैंग्वेजेस फीचर्स हाइना कौजै चैनल असिबु अहानबा यंग ओरगदी चैनल असि सब्सक्राइब तौबियु कमेंट कया पिबिरउ अमसुंग अवारापा हाबिरउ मथंगी अपलोड तौ मतमदा सुंदोकचगे ngasigiदी लोइसनब मतम यरोले येंगबिरेबा खुदिंगमपु ngangkham premesorna ikai khumnabu sari mathangi अपलोड तौ मतमदा आइखोय पुना मु उनबिनसि